Creating a professional invoice for your customers from the InvoiceASAP dashboard is fast and easy. From the dashboard area, in the top, you'll see where it says New Invoice. Just click on that, and a form will pop up from the bottom with everything that you need to create your invoice. So if it's a new customer, you can just type the new customer. If it's an existing customer, you have a drop-down, or you can simply type in the first few letters of the customer name, and it will give you a drop-down menu to pick your customer from. Once you've selected your customer or typed in the new information, you would go down to your item list area. And again, you can simply type in an existing line item, and it will give you a pick menu, or you can type in a new item, and when you save the invoice, it will save your new item. Over here in the quantity column, you can adjust the quantity to however many units that you assign to the customer. You can create a price or override the existing price, and you can select whether this item is taxable or not. So again, to add an item, we're just simply going to type in any existing item that we know about. And we can adjust the quantity and price. And when we click save, what we're going to get is a version of the invoice that your customer will see. It has your logo on it, all of your line items, your extended pricing, your tax rates, any default comments that you have. And from here, you have your menu where you can send the invoice, mark it paid, make any edits that you need to. You can also copy this invoice to a new invoice or estimate, and you can even leave customer notes and attach photos. If you get stuck or need help with anything at all, please get in touch with our support team. You can open a support ticket by sending an email to support@invoiceasap.com, and you can also do instant chat on the InvoiceASAP dashboard when you're logged into the website. We're always here to help you.